Hey guys, Builder George here, and today I got a product review from Boost Auto. They just now posted this recently, and I thought I would go ahead and review it for you guys. So it's their chrome restoration liquid that they got on sale. It's for $20, and this is it right here. This is the product that they're using, and I must say, I did a test spot, and I'll show you guys the test spot after we're done applying it on one of my mirrors. This is called RustX, and it actually does an amazing job. So let me show you guys how it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and post a link down in my description down below and a screenshot of the item on their website as well for you guys, so you guys know exactly what it's called. All they recommend is a terry towel or a microfiber towel and this liquid. So go ahead and just shake the liquid. Shake it really good, and we're gonna go ahead and walk over to the passenger side mirror, and I'll show you guys how exactly it's done. So here's the passenger side mirror. As you guys can tell, before I start, you guys can tell that there is a lot of debris, pitting, and all this stuff, and this is just from regular use of the car. Never really focused on the chrome mirrors all that much. Let me fix camera angle, but here we are. And we're gonna go ahead and try it. So they recommend a generous amount of liquid. So let me go ahead and just get this off. Gonna apply some, or like right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just spread it on the mirror. So you just go ahead, put some elbow grease into it, and just start scrubbing. Just be careful not to apply too much strength onto your side mirror. Go ahead and just get every corner. And this can be used on every piece of chrome trim that you have on your car to go ahead and restore it. Now I'm already starting to see a massive improvement. I know you guys can't tell on the camera, but I'm about to show you guys after I'm done. And this is just with one coat. Now obviously this is not gonna remove 100% all your pitting. It just restores the chrome to its absolute glorious factory finish, and I gotta say it does work. So then we just go ahead, grab a dry area to wipe it all off, and then yes, I am using the same towel as I intend on doing it again. So then just go ahead and wipe it off. Let me use the dry side. We'll move over it. And today is a hot day, so I'm doing it in the heat too. But it's starting to show its beautiful chrome finish. And this is from a 130,000, or well, at this moment, 140,000 mile rig. And guys, I gotta say, man, like I haven't seen these chrome caps like this since I got it. So this is a very nice product. And of course I have some residue just laying around, so let me wipe that off. And look at that. That looks good. Let me show you guys the driver's side when I first did it. And that one looks amazing. Look at that. And this is me just doing it twice on this one, and I did once on this one. So obviously you guys just saw that, excuse me. But yeah, look at that. And this is just on the chrome caps. I do intend on doing it on the car door handles as well, but I just wanted to do a little small product review for you guys, so you guys actually see that this product that they're advertising on their website actually is a quality product. Usually I was a big supporter of the Boost Auto products. When you guys saw my farewell video on my Tahoe, you guys saw those tow mirrors, And as I stated in that video, I never actually got to post up a video about them, as I barely even got any footage. Like, that was like the moment I installed them and I was trying them on, and then I got into that wreck. Why didn't I take them off is beyond me, but I will not be installing tow mirrors in the future, because these actually do have the blind spot alerts. Unless Boost Auto actually comes out with a blind spot assist tow mirrors added into it, then I may get it then, but till then I'm good with these right here. But look at that, guys. Wow. And it's smooth to the touch too, guys. Smooth. Like, look at my hand. Yep. And reflection is super good. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip right over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab another cloth, and let me show you guys a quick second coat. And here is the second one. I just did it behind the scenes, and as you guys can tell, it is similar quality compared to the other one. I am highly impressed. I was skeptical. I was like, chrome refinisher, and I just got it, and I'm very impressed. Anyways, guys, take it easy. Hope you guys enjoyed this small product review from Boost Auto. And no, I was not sponsored by them at all. I just went ahead and bought it with my own money. So this is a genuine review where you guys can tell from the results from just these mirror caps. And obviously my car is chromed out, so I got some work to do. Nonetheless, y'all take care, have a wonderful day, and this is Builder George. Bye-bye.